Hi, I'm James from KC Equipment. Today we're going to be looking at a Cub Cadet ZT-S1 and we're going to do a pre-season check of what you should look at for your mower before the start of the season. Today we'll be looking at how to check your engine oil, how to check your air filter, how to clean out your engine after use, how to inspect your deck and how to adjust your tyre pressures. When checking your engine oil, always make sure your engine is turned off. Check that the oil level is between this mark and this mark in the crosshatch section. This one's perfect. When you put your dipstick back in, make sure it's closed tightly. Now we're going to do our engine checks. First, remove your engine air filter cover. Just clear any debris that has built up around the air filter. With the build-up, it can cause issues for the engine getting air and cause you dramas down the road. We'll check the deck and blades. First, lift the chute and check the condition of your blade. Next, have a look in, make sure there's no debris built up around your belts. When checking your blade, check for the cutting edge is straight and free from knocks, and the kick is not split so that it throws the grass nicely. Next, we'll check the battery. Lift your seat up. Battery is located in under the seat. Just make sure there's no debris in this area. Next, check your battery terminals are tight. Next, we'll check the tyre pressures. Remove the valve cap. Check the pressure. Adjust if necessary. Check your manual for the recommended specifications. We recommend 12 psi in the rear, 16 psi in the front. Next, we'll look at cleaning down after use. We recommend not to wash the mower down because that can cause build-up of debris. You're better off to use a blower. First, blow off your deck, cleaning around your belts and spindles. Next, raise your seat, clean off around the battery area. Next, blow off the top of the engine down through the cooling fins to reduce build-up of debris. Then just clean around your engine. It should be all nice and clean and ready for storage. That's cleaning and checking over your machine. If you're planning to store the machine for a long period of time, say over winter, we recommend to either run your fuel tank low or out, or alternatively you can use a fuel stabilizer product to ensure that the fuel stays good. There you have it folks, your comprehensive guide to regular checks for your Cub Cadet mower. By giving your mower the care it deserves each season, you are ensuring it remains a trusty companion for your lawn care. Remember, these are just guidelines. Always consult your Cub Cadet owner's manual for specific instructions tailored to your mower's model and year. Feel free to visit KC Equipment for all your mower repair and service needs. Don't forget to download your free zero-turn mower maintenance checklist from our KC Equipment website, kcequipment.com.au. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more useful content from KC Equipment. And until next time, keep your mowers running smoothly and your lawns looking stunning. Happy mowing. Take care.